Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen recording. In this mobile phone, from top let me swipe down, then again swipe down, then swipe left. So here we can see screen recorder button, X recorder. If you are not able to see this button, then tap on this plus icon. Then from this available buttons list, we can drag and drop this button here. For example, we can drag and drop like this, then tap on done. So that way we get this button here. If you are not able to see this button in available buttons list, please watch till the end of this video. I will show you how to install this app. So let me start the recording. Tap on this X recorder button, then tap on start now. See, recording started. Here we can see one magic button. Tap on that. Here we will get pause and stop options. So let me pause the recording. See, now let me pause the recording. See, now I have paused the recording. So let me resume it. See, we can also stop the recording here. The same option you would be able to find here, pause and stop. Okay, so let me stop from here. Done. So this is a recorded video. Let me play this video. So this way we can record the video and play it. Let me go back. So now we are inside that app. Here we can see the recorded video. From here we can edit or delete the video. So let me delete it. Okay, so next I will show you some settings, important settings. Go to settings of this X recorder app. Tap here. First I will show you audio settings. Tap on audio settings. Here we can see audio source. We have four options: mute, microphone, internal audio, internal and microphone. So if you want to record audio from both internal and microphone, you have to select this fourth option. Here we can adjust the volume of internal and microphone. If you need noise reduction, we can enable this option. So that is the audio settings. Let me go back. Go to video settings. Here we can change the resolution. We can change to full HD or HD. Then we can change the quality. We can change the bit rate here. We can also change the frame per second. See, we have options like 60, 50. Okay, so that is the video settings. We can also change orientation. We can change to auto, landscape or portrait. This is a location where it actually stores the recorded videos. Let me go down and let me tap on this customize floating ball. Here we can adjust the size of that magic ball. See, we can also adjust the opacity. If you don't want that magic ball, here we have option, we can hide it. See, okay. So let me go back. So I will show you another method of how to start this recording. We can directly open this app. Tap on this app icon. From here also we can start the recording. Tap on this record button. See, recording has started. Tap on this magic button. We can pause and stop. So let me pause from here. See, here also we can pause and resume. So let me stop from here. See, I can play from here. See, okay, so let me remove this video. So this way we can do screen recording. Next I will show you how to install this app. We can go to Google Play Store, then install this app, screen recorder, X recorder. So this is the app which I installed. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.